ml instead of 350. But 450 ml bag will have 2 satellite bags. So 2 more bags are attached to this single bag. But those things are covered with a paper. So underneath paper they will put only 1 bag is visible to you. Because they will not show like this. So you have to ask. It is your privilege. It is donor's privilege. You must ask. You should not be cheated. For that reason I am showing you. I am giving some awareness. So whenever you go to any blood bank, wherever you donate blood, you must ask the person to show the bag, the quantity, how much they are collecting. So it's the most important factor. Every donor should know. Right? Okay.
తీసుకోండి పర్లేదండి.
మీరు దానికి 2 బ్యాగ్స్ తీసుకుంటారు మీరు చెప్పకపోయినా, మీరు చెప్తే కూడా తీసుకోం మేము. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. 1 బ్యాగ్ వచ్చేసారా?